Hello everyone, this is the MT72 Action Camera Extension Tripod from Ulanzi. This tripod is specifically made for action cameras. And there's really not much to show you what's inside the packaging. It just comes with one long thumb screw, the action cam tripod itself, and a hand strap that protects the tripod and your camera from accidental drop. You can use this tripod as a selfie stick or just simply handle grip for your camera. And the handle grip has rubber coating for easy handling. Now, to open up the tripod or make it function as a tripod, all you need to do is just push that button right there to release the lock, push it down to spread the three legs, and if you want to put it back as a hand grip, push it up, squeeze the bottom. Once you hear the click, now it's back as a handle grip. And this tripod is very light and it's small enough to partner with my action camera. And just to show you how far it can go, I can just extend this tripod without the need of tightening or loosening any screws. The handle grip itself is 6 inches and it extends up to 20 inches. And this is made of high quality, durable ABS material and it does not bend easily. And I'm very happy that I bought this for my action camera. So if you have an action camera, this is the Ulanzi MT72 Action Camera Extension Tripod. Thanks for watching.